I'd be surprised if we don't see the provinces take this offer, or at least see it as a starting point for ongoing negotiations with the government. I think we've seen conversations about bilateral agreements that are going to be forthcoming and the accountability tied to that. So I think we will see things start to move forward.
An eye-watering sum on offer for health care, but still far below what the provinces and territories were asking for. How far below? About $23 billion a year. New Brunswick's premier was told this is a take-it-or-leave-it deal, but one expert in negotiations says to take that with a grain of salt.
Historically speaking, what we've often seen is when negotiations start at the take-it-or-leave-it point, they don't often end well. In fact, there tends to be a continuation where there is concession making and there is a kind of an exchange of what works best and how do we tailor this more precisely.
The deal will likely be part of the upcoming budget, but it's unlikely the Tories would vote for it. Conservative leader Pierre Poilievre says the deal falls short, but a Poilievre government would still honor it.
We regret that the Prime Minister broke the federal bank and wasted so much money that he now cannot come to the table and help relieve the suffering in our emergency rooms and on our wait lines that have grown out of control under his 8 years as Prime Minister.
The Bloc Québécois making their position even clearer, bringing visual aids to show the gap between the provincial ask and federal offer.
I hope, since our position is already clear, that the NDP will show some courage and act according to the fact that this is insufficient. I understand that Mr. Singh has already said that it is insufficient. Now he will have to vote as he speaks.
Jagmeet Singh agreed the deal falls short, but says it's too soon to say if the NDP will vote against the upcoming budget.
We always have the option of withdrawing our support. That is always an option that we can exercise, but we're not going to decide on whether we're supporting a budget or not before seeing it.
In Ottawa, Shally Lee, City News.